This is why your Tesla Model Y's back seats feel like a sauna. If your rear AC isn't working, here's what you need to know. Let's break it down, step by step. First, check your climate settings on the touchscreen. Tesla's rear air vents only work if you've enabled rear climate control, so make sure it's turned on. Next, make sure nothing is blocking the rear vents under the front seats. Small objects, bags, or even floor mats can block airflow and make it seem like the AC isn't working. Also, don't forget about the cabin overheat protection feature. If it's active, it might limit how cold the air gets in the rear, especially on hot days. Still not cooling? Try rebooting the car's system by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black, then wait for it to restart. If none of these steps fix the issue, there may be a faulty sensor, a software glitch, or a real hardware issue with the AC unit itself. In that case, it's time to schedule a service appointment with Tesla. So before you panic, check your settings, clear the vents, and reboot the system. Sometimes the simplest fixes make all the difference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick Tesla tips.